Maxine at Fabricland. Today I'm going to show you some Christmas crafting ideas. So like and subscribe this video so everybody can see it. Right, so Christmas is nearly round the corner, so I thought I'd get out some of our Christmas bits and bobs to show you what we've got. We've gone a bit Christmas mad today. So we've got our lovely tree here, and we've just launched this. It's our Christmas felt decoration kit. It makes all of these on there, which is 18 decorations for $8.99. Maybe good to do with the kids because it's felt and it's easy to sew. It comes with the sequins and the thread and the padding to make them padded, and there's reindeer with little cute button noses, there's robins, there's stockings, so this would be quite easy to do with your children. I've also used this lovely pom-pom trim as a bit of tinsel, sort of like garland. So we sell this, it's like snowballs by the metre. Would look lovely if you popped it on a stocking. We do it in lots of different colours. So here's the red one, and it just sort of like adds that little bit of Christmas fun to anything you're doing. So that always looks really nice. We've also done a tree skirt out of some tartan fabric, but I have seen them done in cotton prints, Hessian fabric, which is right at the bottom of our stuff here, maybe even fur fabric. So there's lots of different things you could make a tree skirt to cover the bottom, all the legs and the lights, etc. Okay, so we do a Christmas stocking kit, which would make the stockings. We've also got some different combinations up the top here. So really easy to make. We've started at Fabricland to make our own templates and stockings. So this comes with everything. So you're not buying an expensive paper pattern. You're buying our Fabricland kit. You're really only paying for the goods, not the pattern. So look for our Fabricland kits. We also sell them in our shops. We've also got a couple of McCall's patterns here that's available again for a Christmas stocking, a wreath, some decorations, or these 3D trees are quite good. We also have an advent calendar here that we've made out of felt. So this is quite fun to make, and you can reuse it every year with some rickrack, coloured felt, and you can just pop your sweets in here, which is nice and fun for the kids. We haven't put the days on because I don't imagine the sweets would stay in there very long. So right, we've also got an oven glove kit. So again, this is one of our kits. This looks lovely in your kitchen, especially if you're the person cooking the turkey. So we've got this lovely apron, which I'm just going to put on if I can get it the right way up. So look, lovely apron, be good for mums and dads, nans, whoever is cooking. And I think it's quite nice to get this as a present, because sometimes when things are homemade, I think it shows you've put a bit of effort into it. So whether it's homemade, handmade, however you say it, you know, to receive something like this is really nice at Christmas. So we've got the oven glove kit. We do lots of ribbons. So lots of different printed ribbons, sparkly ribbons. We have pipe cleaners as well. We've also got these kits which have been extremely popular. We've got Simon the Snowman, and we've got our velvet gonk kit, and he comes in lots of different colours. I'm just going to speak to my camera lady so she can pan over. And then the normal gonk kits, and it comes with all the stuff for them, the pom-poms, the beards, so, and they look really good. And we've got our naughty elf on the shelf. They are also appearing in other places. I think they're sleeping over here and here. In that kit, you get enough to do 3 little elves, okay, because it's nearly at that time when they're going to start up to their antics and making mischief. We do felt squares, so we've got glitter felt squares. We actually do a craft pack, which has got some of all of these in them. We've got embroidery threads for sewing with the children, and we do large-eyed needles, glue, pom-poms, lovely shiny jingle bells in lots of colours. We've also, she said, I've done a bit of, she's going to show you something else. We do a product called Thermoform, or it used to be called Bondaweb. And if you can see, it's like a lattice, it's like a glue, but in a strip. And if I just peel it, you can see. Okay, and what you do is you iron this onto your fabric, and then you can draw your design, cut it out, and then you can stick it on, or iron it on, I should say. And what I've done is I've used some coating fabric here, and I've done it in this, this was actually some curtaining we had, used a metallic thread and made a stocking with some fur. So, and it's only cost me about £8 or £10 to do that, and it's unique, especially if you've got an unusual name and you can never get anything with your name on. I think that's always nice for children. And we've also got lots of different colour furs. We do it in white, cream, blues. There's lots of different ones on our website. We also have our cushion kits. So what about some nice Christmas cushions? We've got lots of different fabrics. We've got fabrics laid out all along the bottom. There's loads on our Christmas page. We do polycottons with gonks, snowmen, snowflakes. We've got quirky ones with sheep on. We've got Blitzen, which is the deers and the presents. We've got dachshunds, which are dancing through the snow. We've got elf on the shelf. There's loads of different prints. Nutcracker. A lot of these are designed in-house by our design team. So come and have a look and see what we've got. Lots on offer, and enjoy your Christmas crafting. Goodbye.